Google recently released a couple of generative AI learning path course. These courses are completely free and you don't have to spend any single penny to complete. You just need to spend some time, like 5 to 7 hours, to learn this course, and that's it. In this video, I will show you all the 7 top generative AI learning path course which is published by Google. We will check one by one in this video. So let's get started. At first, the first course is Introduction to Generative AI. So if you understand, or if you try to understand the title of this course, you will find basically it's about introduction of AI, and that is the theme of this course. This course is not very big. It's only 45 minutes of course. So if you start now, it will take hardly 1 hour to complete the whole course. And in this video, or this section of this course, basically Google aims to give you an introduction of generative AI. It also mentioned how it is used and how it differs from traditional machine learning methods. Besides learning this thing, you will also understand a couple of Google tools which can help you to develop your own generative AI application. And if you go details, you will understand what this course covers. It has 3 sections. The first section is Introduction to Generative AI, which is 22 minutes, and then there is Introduction to Generative AI, which is reading, and then after that, basically this is a document. So this is a video and this is the document, and finally you have to complete a quiz, which is pretty much easy to complete. It will take hardly few minutes to complete. That's why using this like learning part or this course, it is taking only 45 minutes, like 1 hour to complete this course, and you will learn the introduction of generative AI. And the good news is it's completely free. Okay, so this is the first course, and now jump to the second course. The second course is Introduction to Large Language Model. So basically, it is in this course, Google is trying to explain what is large language model and how to utilize and how you can use prompt tuning to enhance the large language model. It also covers some of the Google tools which can help you to develop your own generative AI application. And like the first course, it is also a short course. It takes hardly 1 hour. That means 45 minutes to complete. And then if you explain more details, you will find the details of this course by completing each of them. It is also organized like the previous introduction level course. It is giving you an introduction of large language model, which in short we are calling LLM, and it is only 15 minutes length. And after there is a document which you need to complete to study. And finally, you have to complete this course by attending a quiz, which is required basically. That means you need to pass to complete this course. You will also find this course is completely free and it is taking only 45 minutes. So why you are waiting? You just need to start. It's very simple and easy. This was the second course from Google, which actually deals with generative AI learning path. Now the third course. This is the title of this course, Introduction to Image Generation. And in this course, basically, you will learn how the diffusion model is working. And you also understand how image generation is working. Diffusion models draw inspiration from physics. So this diffusion model is the core thing of this image generation. And this is also working with thermodynamics. Within last few years, diffusion models became popular in both research and industry, and diffusion models underpin the state-of-the-art image generation models and tools to Google Cloud. So basically, using this technique, basically you can generate some image, and these are the technology terms they are using to give you the introduction of image generation. And like other courses, it's also free. That means you don't need to spend any money. And here you are seeing that this introduction to image generation, this is a very short course. It takes hardly 9 minutes, and there is a quiz like maximum like 20 minutes maximum to complete. So by spending like less than 30 minutes, basically you have a better solid understanding about the image generation and how to use that. This course is also free, and you can access this course by following this URL. The fourth course is attention mechanism. So in this course, Google is trying to introduce you to the attention mechanism. If this is a powerful technique that allows neural networks to focus on specific parts of an input sequence. Using this technique, basically, you will learn how the attention works and how we can use it to improve the performance of a variety of machine learning tasks like machine translation, text summarization, and question answering. This course is a little bit lengthy than the previous course, but it's less than 1 hour course. It is taking hardly 1 hour, but 45 minutes is fine to complete this course. This has 2 sections. The first section, it is only 5 minutes length, and some attention mechanism overview is there. And there is a quiz. And again, I'm telling this quiz is not very big or difficult. It's very easy to complete. So basically, though it is telling like 45 minutes, it hardly takes 45 minutes. Less than that is fine also. The fifth course is transformer models and BART model. So in this course, Google is trying to introduce you to the transformer architecture and the bidirectional encode representations from transformers. That is the BART model. You will learn the main component of the transformer architecture, such as self-attention mechanism and how to build the BART model. So this course is also very short, like 45 minutes. And this BART model basically is used to text classification, question answering, and natural learning interface. And it has a couple of sections. In the first section, they are trying to give you an overview of this transformer models and BART model. Next, they will give you a lab walkthrough of that model. Finally, there is a quiz, and you have to complete this quiz to complete this course. And there is a link for lab resources. So that's it in this course. The sixth course is create image captioning model. That means if you have image, how you can caption that model, something like that. And this course teaches you how to create an image captioning model by using deep learning. So basically here you have to use deep learning. You learn about different components of an image captioning model, such as encode and decode, how to train, and how to evaluate the model. If you complete this course, you will be able to create your own image captioning models and use them to generate captions for images. And this course has a couple of sections like the previous course. At first, it tries to give you an overview, and then there is a lab walkthrough. Finally, there is a quiz. And for this quiz, there is some lab resources or lab walkthrough, something like that. So this is one of the good course, which is Generative AI Learning Path courses. The last course is Introduction to Generative AI Studio. This course is also free, and here Google tries to introduce you the Generative AI Studio. This is a product on Vertex AI. This helps you to prototype and organize generative AI models so that we can use we can use its capabilities for our application. Following this course, we can easily learn what is Generative AI Studio and then its features and options and how to use it by some demos of the product. And at the end, there is a quiz also. And if you explore more, you will see that here at the beginning there is an introduction, and after that there is a link for that reflection cards. Finally, there is a quiz, and there is a number of documents for your reading, and that's it. That is the summary of all the generative AI learning path course. Hopefully, by using this link or this course, you can easily understand what is generative AI. I'm also giving all the links detail. I mean, not the link details. I will give you the whole link to access all of these 7 courses. Hopefully, by watching these courses or by learning these courses, you will have a solid understanding how generative AI is working. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video.